Hey guys, Tim here. Today doing a bike check on my 2018 Giant Rain Advance 1 in the neon green colour. We'll start off with like the back end of the bike. So I have a stock Giant SL drop post, 125 mils of travel, which is perfect, works fine. Have it pretty low because we're jumping out here today. Moving down to the rear shock, it's a Foxfoot DPX2. And it's custom tuned for the trunnion mount on this Maestro floating pivot. It has high and low speed compression and also some fun adjustments like rebound and some air pressure volume. I also have my tube, CO2 canister and my tyre lever taped to my frame, strapped with a tape over to keep it extra secure during those enduro races. And to finish that off, just a nice pink water bottle cage. For the cranks, I have the Truvative Descendant cranks. Pretty good, don't come loose, haven't had any issues. And just some off-brand Well-Go pedals. For the rear, we have a DT Swiss E1700 rim. Comes with this fairly flat hub. Sounds pretty nice. I have a 180mm rotor on the rear with just a SRAM Guide RS brake in the 2018 version, and for the drivetrain we have a 32-tooth chainring up front and chain guard and bash guard components combined with a 12-speed chain, and for the cassette I have a 12-speed SRAM Eagle GX cassette 10-50 tooth. The rear tyre is set up tubeless, which comes factory. It's a Maxxis Aggressor with double down on it, makes it pretty hard to destroy. Moving up to the front, got a Fox 36 Performance Elite fork. Really plush. This year I tried out Fox for the first time and I'm starting to like them. Went from RockShox. Just got my white marsh guard attached to that, and same rim, DT Swiss E1700 with a 203mm rotor up front and SRAM Guide RS brake. These ones don't freeze like the previous ones had, and this is also set up tubeless, and it's a Maxxis Minion DHF 27.5 by 2.5. Moving up to the cockpit, just a Giant stock headset with, I have 4 spaces in. I like my handbars pretty high because these don't have much rise. These are 760mm carbon fat bars by Renthal. Feel pretty good, and just got my GX Eagle shifter up front, 12 speed, 2 brakes, and then my Giant Contact SL drop post switch, and then just the stock Giant grips. Starting to wear down, which I probably need new ones, but they're fine for the time being. So yeah, that's about it. Oh, and frame wrap as well, which is pretty neat. Stops all the rocks from hitting up and destroying your bike, especially when it's carbon like that. So, and just a down tube frame protector. So pros and cons of the bike. It's pretty plush with the Fox suspension this year. The lower models than this come with RockShox, but Fox feels pretty good using it first time. The components that come stock on it are fairly well designed and well made. Like the drop post is pretty reliable, and so is other components such as the 40mm stem and stuff like that. Brakes are pretty good. Most of these parts are stock, save for the tyres and stuff, but I've upgraded a little and it seems pretty well made for what I'm suited to doing. Cons, maybe there could be a little more protection in the rear where the rock strikes, but that just comes down to whether it's putting frame wrap on it. The colour maybe could be a con for some people, maybe a bit too bright, but if that's what you get for getting a good bike like this, well, so be it. But other than that, it's a pretty well made bike. here's some videos of me shredding, and thanks for watching.